Top 10 Most Advanced Aircraft Carriers in 2026. Tensions in the Red Sea have intensified significantly after the United States deployed aircraft carriers, warships, and fighter jets to the region to exert pressure on Iran. But why are U.S. aircraft carriers so intimidating to Iran? The reason is that these vessels are not simply platforms for transporting fighter jets. They are equipped with highly advanced systems, including missile defense systems, offensive strike capabilities, and large military personnel contingents. In effect, an aircraft carrier functions as a fully operational floating military base. In today's world, only a small number of countries possess and operate modern aircraft carriers. Next, let us introduce the top 10 most advanced aircraft carriers in the world as of 2026. What are their names, and which countries do they belong to? Let's find out. Rank 10. Cavour, Italy. Cavour is an aircraft carrier of Italy, ordered in 2000 at an estimated cost of 1.39 billion euros, 2010 valuation. Construction was completed in 2008, and it officially entered service shortly afterward. The carrier is 244 meters long, about 30 meters wide, has a range of 13,000 kilometers, and a cruising speed of 54 kilometers per hour. Italy has deployed Cavour in missions supporting NATO as well as humanitarian operations. It carries a crew of approximately 1,200 personnel and can operate around 30 aircraft, including F-35 stealth fighter jets. Rank 9. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. Admiral Kuznetsov is the only aircraft carrier operated by Russia. It can carry about 40 aircraft, including Su-33 and MiG-29K fighters. Unlike most carriers, it is equipped with heavy offensive missile systems, making it unique among aircraft carriers worldwide. The ship entered service in 1991 and operates with a crew of around 1,960 personnel. Originally constructed during the Soviet era in 1981, it measures 305 meters in length, 72 meters in width, has a range of 15,700 kilometers, and a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. Rank 8. INS Vikrant, India. INS Vikrant is the first domestically built aircraft carrier of India and officially entered service in 2022. It can carry approximately 30 aircraft and is equipped with modern radar and weapon systems. The carrier operates with around 1,700 crew members. Construction began in 2004, and its estimated cost as of 2023 is $3.1 billion. INS Vikrant is 262.5 meters long, 62 meters wide, has a speed of 56 kilometers per hour, and a range of 15,000 kilometers. Rank 7. INS Vikramaditya, India. INS Vikramaditya is the largest warship in India's naval fleet. Originally built in Russia, it was later acquired and extensively upgraded by India. The carrier can operate around 30 aircraft, including MiG-29K fighter jets and helicopters, and is crewed by approximately 1,600 personnel. It entered Indian naval service in 2013. Historically, it first entered service with the Soviet Navy in 1987, before being purchased by India in 2004. Total costs, including upgrades, are estimated at 10 to 11 billion US dollars. The ship measures 284 meters in length, 61 meters in width, reaches speeds of 56 kilometers per hour, and has an impressive range of 25,000 kilometers. Rank 6, Shandong, China. Shandong, also known as Type 002, is the first aircraft carrier fully built by China. Commissioned in 2019, it operates with approximately 2,500 personnel and can carry up to 44 aircraft, including fighter jets and helicopters. Named after China's Shandong province, the carrier is 305 meters long, 75 meters wide, and has a speed of 57 kilometers per hour. Its construction cost has not been officially disclosed, and it is currently operated by the Chinese Navy. Rank 5, Liaoning, China. Liaoning, also known as Type 001, was originally built during the Soviet era and later purchased from Ukraine by China in 1998 for 120 million US dollars. After years of refurbishment and system upgrades, it officially entered Chinese naval service in 2012. The carrier has a crew of 2,500 personnel and can carry around 40 aircraft, mainly J-15 fighter jets. It measures 306.4 meters long, 74.4 meters wide, has a speed of 59 kilometers per hour, and a range of 7,130 kilometers. Rank 4, Charles de Gaulle, France. Charles de Gaulle is the only nuclear-powered aircraft carrier operated by France. It can operate approximately 40 aircraft, including Rafale M fighters, and E-2C Hawkeye early warning aircraft. The crew consists of around 1,950 personnel. Construction took place between 1989 and 2000, and it entered service in 2001. As of 2022, its estimated cost is 4.14 billion euros. The carrier is 261.5 meters long, 64.36 meters wide, has a speed of 50 kilometers per hour, and can operate indefinitely thanks to nuclear propulsion. Rank 3, HMS Queen Elizabeth, United Kingdom. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the largest warship ever built for the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom. It is specifically designed to operate F-35B Lightning II stealth fighter jets from the United States. The carrier entered service in 2017, can carry up to 40 aircraft, and has a crew of about 1,600 personnel. The estimated cost is £3 billion. It measures 284 meters in length, reaches speeds between 46 and 59 kilometers per hour, and has a range of 19,000 kilometers. Rank 2, USS Nimitz class, United States. The Nimitz-class aircraft carriers have been among the most powerful warships in the world for decades. Powered by nuclear energy, they can carry up to 60 aircraft, including fighters, helicopters, and bombers. They are equipped with advanced radar and missile defense systems and operate with crews exceeding 5,000 personnel. The first Nimitz-class carrier entered service in 1975 and was named after renowned U.S. Admiral Chester W. Nimitz. Each carrier is 332.8 meters long, 76.8 meters wide, has a speed of 58.3 kilometers per hour, and can operate without range limitations due to nuclear propulsion. Rank 1, USS Gerald R. Ford, United States. USS Gerald R. Ford is the largest and most technologically advanced aircraft carrier in the world today. Powered by nuclear energy, it operates with approximately 4,500 crew members and can carry around 75 aircraft. It officially entered service in 2017. One of its most important technologies is the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS. The ship's construction cost is approximately $12.8 billion US, with an additional $4.7 billion US spent on research and development. It measures 337 meters in length, has a speed of 56 kilometers per hour, and can operate for up to 25 years without refueling, effectively giving it unlimited range. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.